Go home happy with the 2021 BMW 2 Series. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. The muscular 2 Series delivers motorsport performance, refined luxury, and technology to keep you safe and connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, backup camera, power driver seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. Feel the thrill of the drive in the 2 Series Coupe. Test drive it today.